Hi, so basically this tutorial is just going to be showing you how to round numbers in Java. So let's say if you had a number that had 5 decimal places and you only wanted to work with 2 decimal places, you would want to round your number, and this is how you do it. So let's create a number with some decimal places. There, so now we have our number. Let's just explicitly put it into the console stating that this is our number before rounding. So it'll just be neater for us to see. So and we'll just try this before rounding. Bam, there's a number. So now let's round this number. So we're going to use the math library. So we can just say num equals math dot round, and we'll just say num. And now we want to just print that out to the console. So okay, after rounding, we'll print our num out. Let's run this. So you can see it rounded all the decimal places off. So what happens if we wanted to keep these 2 decimal places? Say we were maybe trying to just do something that simulates money, or maybe our assignment is to work with 2 decimal places only. This is how you would do it. You would say your number right here, we're going to times that by 100.0, and this will give us decimal places for 2. And after this, we want to do divided by 100.0, because we're working with doubles, right? So we'll just always put the decimal place in to avoid problems. If we didn't put these decimal places in, it would cast to an int and we wouldn't get our decimal places. So basically what this is saying is we are going to times our num, 23 point blah blah blah, by 100, and that's going to give us 2,312.345. So it's going to move our decimal places over 2 spots, and we're going to round that. So what it's going to be rounding right in here is the 3, 4, and 5. It's going to round that off. And now we would be left with 2,312 flat, just straight, with no decimal places. And now we want to divide that by 100 to get our 23, our decimal place back. So we want to end up with 23.12. So let me just show you how this looks when we run it. There it is, rounded. And if you want to do less decimal places, you could do times 10, then divide by 10. There's 1 decimal place. If you want to do more, you can just add zeros here. And there, now you have more decimal places. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.